I just wanted to make a quick video to show how I'm mounting my reverse lights for the winter, because it is a pain in the butt to back this thing up, especially into my driveway when you can't see the edge of the driveway or your rear axle. So these are lights that I had for my back rack for plowing, and I'm mounting one on each side, about halfway between the front of the trailer and the front axle. I want to be able to see both tires, the back of the trailer, and what I'm backing up to. I recommend getting floodlights because it's a much broader light. Spotlights are kind of a lot harder to dial in and see. This way I'm lighting up the whole side of my trailer. So what I did, instead of welding them and getting some brackets in there, just because I live in the Rust Belt, and as you can tell, I don't feel like doing a whole bunch of grinding and everything trying to get down to some good metal. I measured out where I want them on both sides, drilled a hole. I'm using a carriage bolt, so where my fingers are is going to be the wood. I got a washer. This is a piece of gas pipe for my spacer, my mounting bracket, and a nut. So this is going to go through here. It's going to sit down like that, and then I can adjust it however I need to see. And then I'm going to run the wires for my 7-way right to this for the reverse light, and I haven't decided the ground. I'm either going to tie into my side marker lights, but I don't like doing that. Being in the Salt Belt, I deal with enough light issues in the winter. I might just run a ground from the 7-way back here. I haven't decided yet, but that's how I am mounting my reverse lights on my 2020 Big Tex gooseneck.